Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm introducing you to a superfood seed, that is Aliv seed or Halim. It's a perfect winter food which can provide all the protein which you needed for the day. It can cure your indigestion problems, constipation. It can help you in hair growth, your hemoglobin levels and what not. So let's see how to make a tasty ladoo with this. So first you have to soak the Aliv seeds in coconut water for 1 hour, and once it gets swelled up like this, let's start making the ladoos. So into a pan add some ghee, add some Jaggery powder with some water and let it boil. Once the Jaggery syrup gets slightly thick, add some grated coconut and cook the coconut in this Jaggery liquid. After a few minutes, add some nut powder. Here I've used cashew nuts and almonds. Mix it really well, then add in the soaked Aliv seeds. Combine it well with the coconut and Jaggery. Add some cardamom powder for the flavoring and combine it. Cook it till all the water gets evaporated and the mixture becomes slightly thick. Add few teaspoons of ghee at the end and the mixture is ready. Transfer that to another plate. Spread it so that it will cool down, and once it cools down, start making ladoos. These Aliv seeds should always be consumed with essential fats like ghee, Jaggery and coconut. You can have this Aliv Ladoo daily. The daily requirement for protein can be met with just one ladoo. So definitely try out this winter special superfood ladoo. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.